What's going on, guys? It's been a super long time since I filmed a video. A lot of things have happened. Peep what's behind me. That is my new car. The G35 is sold. We got this cool shop thing going on right now. It's been super crazy. It's been a long time since I filmed anything. Can't believe it's been this long. I don't know, just kind of focusing on the new car. So yeah, I'm gonna start filming a lot more. Obviously, I have been slacking on the content for a while now. But I'm gonna show you guys the new car and kind of talk about all the plans for it. So we got an SC400. I threw the old 300ZX wheels on it and it fits amazingly on it. Have a new kit going on as well from JP Fiberglass. We're working on the bumper. It's pretty much always secured. I got to do some body work on it, but other than that, it's pretty good. About to get it painted soon. Also have side skirts and a front bumper to go on this car. And yeah, this car is very special. A super special car to me. It's basically my dream car. And what's under the hood is even more important, and what's inside is amazing as well. So, starting off, 5-speed manual, full black interior, W58 trans swap on the SC400. Under the hood, we have a V8, and not just the V8. There is also something else under the hood. It is a Procharger. A fucking Procharger, bro. Like, dude, this is sick. I've done a lot of stuff to this car since I've had it. New intercooler is down there. I ran all that. I've had this car for about 5 months now, 4 months. And I just haven't been able to film videos because of me being purely based off me being just lazy. That's why I was over at the shop and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna break out the camera. Everyone's over here running over. They see we're gonna film. So yeah, the car is sick. It's amazing.
What's this?
What's that?
What's that? Right
What's
there.
that? Oh, got him. But yeah, this thing is so sick. What do you think about the car, Matt? Nice Fedora.
Yeah.
What do you think about the hat?
Yeah.
Not the hat. What do you think about the car?
It's got 4 wheels.
Yeah, 4 clean Johnnies, boy. Look at that. Oof.
Sure, I do.
What do you think?
I like it.
Goodbye.
You haven't let me drive it yet. You didn't even let me drive the 300.
I've driven it.
Didn't even work anymore.
I've driven it.
This mother.
He even let me rip on it.
Yeah, we had a lot of problems. Honestly, this car just got back up and running. I was having a lot of issues with this thing. But now everything is good. So all this custom intercooler piping I did, before it just went straight here. I got my girlfriend's dad to make me this piece with this little nipple on it. That was the problem I was having.
You said nipple.
But yeah, the starter went out. That's like an 8-hour job. I've been putting in the work. I just haven't been putting in the work on YouTube, but that's all about to change. Matt got this lovely building now, so now I can work in this building sometimes, most of the time, all the time, every day, 24/7. Then the other guy that's next door, right through that door, is a painter, so he's gonna be painting all the body kit and everything and making it all look perfect, because before the previous owner did some mess ups. So we're gonna get all that fixed. Everything's gonna be fixed, super dialed. Look at the fitment though. Look at the fitment. Beautiful. Anything you wanna say?
What up, YouTube? You better be subscribing to my boy. You're working real hard now. I wanted to say anything.
Yeah, yeah, what do you want to say?
Daddy, chill.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, so that was just a quick little video.
Good thing it's not live.
It's gonna go in the video.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay. No edits.
No edits. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys the car. I really do love this car. I'm gonna be making a lot more videos and doing a lot more stuff. Definitely a lot of work on the body kit. For anybody wondering, This is a JP fiberglass rear bumper. I also have the skirts and the front bumper, which could be going on soon. And I'm gonna film it all. I know, I've been slacking. You guys can go ahead and blow out those comments, just slacking ass, like just bad. But yeah, we got a new car, new build. 300 is still gonna get done, but we'll talk about that in another video. But like this video up, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. We got the cleanest SC ever. Matt's kid wants to be in the video. We're not putting that on the car. But yeah, so subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you guys so much. Sorry it's been so long. I'll be posting more videos, I promise. And thank you so much. Later.